What is going on, everyone? It's McKinley from RV Talk, and today we're checking out a motorhome that's perfect for national parks. This is the Winnebago Vista NPF 29NP. This motorhome has a beautiful exterior paint job and is partnered with the National Park Foundation. Let's check it out. Before we tour this RV that's perfect for national parks, let's take a quick look at the specs. This RV sleeps 5, has a gross vehicle weight rating of 23,000 pounds, has a total width of 8.5 feet, a height of 12 feet 1 inches, and a total length of 30 feet. And this RV meets all the requirements to be able to camp in a national park. Starting on the outside of this RV, you have a armless awning on the campsite. On the opposing campsite, you have a full wall slide with slide topper, as well as tons of underbelly storage. You also have blacked out wheels that go really nicely with the full body paint, which this is the Canyonlands edition. Back to the campsite where you have a ton of covered space. You have your armless awning, but you also have a bat wing awning on the back. You have an outdoor kitchen with a fridge, a sink, and tons of cabinet space. You also have a pull-out entertainment center. Before we head in this RV, let's take a quick break. It's that time of year to hit the road and go RVing, and having the right accessories this season is a must. And one of those accessories that's great to have is a longer power cord. That's why I've teamed up with RV Guard to give away 2 30 or 50 amp 25-foot RV extension cords. To enter the giveaway, use the link in the description below to head over to the giveaway website. Over there, enter your email, and then you can complete a couple different tasks to get some entries. A couple ways you can get extra entries is by following me and RV Guard on Instagram, as well as just looking around their website. If you want to learn more about the RV Guard extension cord, you can click the related video up above to see my review. Make sure you sign up for the giveaway because time is running out. Alright, so let's go ahead and check out the inside of this RV. Up above the entry door, you have a cabinet for some extra storage. Stepping into the cab, this RV sits on the Ford F53 chassis with the 7.3 liter V8 engine. This RV is equipped with the driver confidence package. You have a display screen with your radio and rear view mirror. You have the captain's chairs that are very comfortable, and you also have some cup holders in the floor as well as a mount for a table. Up above the cab is a drop-down bed, so you can sleep some extra people. And then behind the cab is the dinette and entertainment area. You have a good-sized TV, a large cabinet next to it, which storage is everything. And then you have a dinette that seats about 4 people with cup holders built into the table. You have a couple controls underneath of the dinette, and this dinette drops down into a bed. Across from that is your theater seating that reclines out. You have a large window up above, which is really nice. That way you can see the incredible scenery in national parks. And then you've got some cabinet space up above the couch. Alright, let's go ahead and check out the kitchen. In the kitchen, you have tons of storage space. You've got a double basin farmhouse sink. You have a cabinet that sits up above the sink, and then you've got a microwave next to it. I gotta say, the microwave could be a little bit bigger. You've got a 3-burner cooktop, which is really nice, but what's even better is that they added an oven. Next to the oven, you have some pull-out drawers, and those run all the way down to the floor. And then you also have a large refrigerator with a freezer and a fridge. Next to that, you've got some cabinets with some pull-out bins. Across from the kitchen is the bathroom, where you have a porcelain toilet, a sink with lots of countertop space, and tons of cabinets. You also have a really large shower. Let's go ahead and check out the back bedroom. So back here, you have tons of cabinet space on each side of the entertainment center. You also have pull-out drawers under each cabinet and the TV. Across from the TV is your king bed, which I gotta say, there's quite a bit of room to walk around for it being a king bed. You've got cabinets on all sides of the bed, and there is a step up. What do you guys think about this RV? Let me know in the comments down below, and if you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe for more RV tips, tours, product reviews, industry updates, and traveling adventures. Till next time, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the road.